How to tame the wild crypto market, understanding volatility and managing risk. Hello, and welcome my fellow crypto enthusiasts to this roller coaster ride of a video on understanding the volatility of cryptocurrency prices and how to tame that wild beast with effective risk management strategies. The world of cryptocurrency is like a thrilling amusement park. It's exhilarating, packed with twists and turns, and can leave you feeling dizzy, but it's oh so addictive. With cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others dancing to their own tune, it can be quite a challenge to predict their next move. But fear not, my friends. With the right strategies and a deep understanding of the market dynamics, you can manage the risk and potentially harness the power of volatility. In this video, we'll dive deep into the nature of cryptocurrency price volatility and how you can monitor and adjust your investment portfolio over time to minimize risk and maximize profits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to stay up to date with the latest information on cryptocurrency investments and to keep this wild ride going. Chapter 1. Unraveling the mystery of cryptocurrency price volatility. The cryptocurrency market is relatively young and still finding its footing. As a result, it often experiences dramatic fluctuations in prices. This volatility can make it tough for investors to anticipate the value of their investments. However, this very same volatility can also present golden opportunities for those who understand the risks and know how to navigate them. One of the main culprits behind cryptocurrency price volatility is the speculative nature of the market. Many investors buy and sell cryptocurrencies based on whispers, news, and market sentiment, rather than actual market fundamentals. This can lead to sudden spikes or dips in prices. Moreover, the market is also affected by supply and demand factors, regulatory changes, and advancements in the underlying technology. Another contributing factor to cryptocurrency price volatility is the absence of mature markets and institutional involvement. Unlike traditional markets, such as the stock market, the cryptocurrency market is still evolving, with limited institutional investment and infrastructure. This can result in a lack of stability, leading to sudden price movements. Chapter 2. Keeping a watchful eye on your crypto kingdom. Now that you've peeked behind the curtain to understand the reasons for cryptocurrency price volatility, it's time to explore some strategies for managing risk and taking advantage of this wild roller coaster. The first step in reigning over your cryptocurrency investment kingdom is vigilance. Keep a close eye on your realm by monitoring the prices of your investments and staying up to date with news and developments that could impact the market. Watch for regulatory changes and advancements in the underlying technology like a hawk. This will help you make informed decisions about when to buy, hold, or sell your investments. Diversification is another crucial strategy. Don't put all your golden eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of different cryptocurrencies, as well as other types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This will help you minimize risk and reduce the impact of any sudden price movements in the cryptocurrency market. Chapter 3. Dollar cost averaging. Your secret weapon in taming volatility. To manage risk and take advantage of the volatility, employ the strategy known as dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the current market price. This helps to smooth out the volatility and reduces the impact of sudden price movements. In short, dollar cost averaging is like having a secret weapon to tame the wild crypto beast. Chapter 4. Embracing the long game in cryptocurrency investing. It's important to remember that cryptocurrency investing is a marathon, not a sprint. While prices can be volatile in the short term, over a long enough time frame, the volatility tends to even out. By holding onto your investments for the long haul, you can potentially capitalize on the growth potential of the cryptocurrency market. This is where the strategy of dollar cost averaging really shines. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the current price. This can help you mitigate the risk of buying into a market at its peak, and can also take advantage of lower prices when they occur. By consistently investing in cryptocurrencies over time, you can help average out the ups and downs of the market and potentially benefit from long-term growth. Chapter 5. Staying informed and nimble in the ever-changing crypto landscape. In addition to the strategies mentioned above, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency world. Keep your ears to the ground and follow industry news, analysis, and expert opinions to make well-informed decisions. Additionally, always be ready to adapt your investment strategy to the ever-changing crypto landscape. Flexibility is key in riding the waves of volatility and turning them to your advantage. Chapter 6. Seeking professional guidance in the wild west of crypto. As a final note, don't be afraid to seek professional guidance, especially if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or have a complex financial situation. A financial advisor or investment professional can help you create a portfolio that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance, and can also provide valuable guidance on monitoring and adjusting your portfolio over time. They can help you navigate the complexities of the tax code and regulations, as well as assist you with other financial planning needs. In conclusion, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency investing is a risky endeavor, and it's essential to do your own research and understand the volatility of the market. By having a solid investment strategy, such as dollar cost averaging and embracing patience, you can potentially take advantage of the growth potential of the cryptocurrency market while managing risk. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support and engagement help us create more valuable content for you. And don't forget to check your local tax codes for any tax implications on your investments. Stay informed, stay invested, and most importantly, stay fearless as you ride the wild waves of the crypto world.